All right, so have you ever worked in PowerPoint and tried to apply a transparency, a fading of an image? You realize you can't do it, right? You can only fade shapes in PowerPoint. So if I come in here and I say I want to fade this, this image of this hands over the background, I can right click, choose Format Picture, but I don't have any options for fading it. Now I can increase the brightness, right, to lighten it, or I can, decrease it. Same with the contrast. But there's no way to add a transparency to this object so I can see through it and fade the back to the background. Real simple workaround, and that is just to insert a shape and then fill the shape with the image you want. So in this case, we'll just go to Insert, say Shape, and a rectangle. I'm just going to draw a rectangle roughly the size of my image. Okay? We're going to turn off the outline. I don't need that on there. So Format. But I don't really care what color it is. So now I can right click here, choose Format Shape, and under Fill, just select Picture, and let's go find the hands. Now if I click Close, I have filled my rectangle with that image, but now, this is the original bitmap, now I'm able to go in here and treat this like a regular shape. So I can right click, Format Picture, and now I have transparency. Cool little fact. Only requires an extra step, but certainly worth knowing about as a quick way to fade images in your e-learning courses.